progress at respective ends. To Reece James, into the crowd of players and into the back of the net from Tosin, but up goes the flag. Tosin has been judged in an onside position, but it has been checked and the goal has been awarded. Gomez, Dewsbury Hall, Cunha gets it in, Sanchez hasn't got it out, it's loose and it's in! Matt Doherty got the final touch. But in by Madueke, little touch by Dewsbury Hall and in by Kukureya. Mark Kukureya on his 100th Premier League appearance pops up with a priceless. By Palmer, he thought about coming, and Madueke follows it in. Well, Madueke thinks he was the one who got it across the line and got the telling touch. Well, the important thing from Chelsea's point of view is that they have a 2-goal cushion.
It's running.